So, Namaste, Namaskar, Namaskara, Swagatam, Suswagatam, Kasakai, Kim Cho, Radhe Radhe, Joy Jagannath. This is your Sutradhar Tista. Evo, on behalf of Summit Hotels and Resorts, I welcome each and everyone on this delightful evening. So, today, the celebration is not only about celebrating the success of Summit Hotels and Resorts, but it is about celebrating you, celebrating your hard work, your resilience, your perseverance, your trust, your belief in Summit Hotels and Resorts. Because of you, we are one of the leading hotel chains in India. As of now, today, this year marks a very, very special year because officially this year we have completed 15 long years in the industry, and with that, can we have a huge round of applause for everyone? 15 years of success of Summit Hotels and Resorts is not a success for Summit Hotels and Resorts, it's a success for all of you. Because of you, we are here celebrating this day. And yes, Taj Chhada Bolidi, we have 900 people working nationwide, along with only 150 of the people designated at the corporate house only. We are densely, we have our presence felt in the northern area like North Bengal and Sikkim, but we have not left on the front of Rishikesh. We have already and zoned out to many places, to Kashiranga, Rishikesh, Sikkim and everything. So we have got it covered. But बोलते हैं कि आज की जो ये दिन है, हम लोग शुरू करेंगे और शुरू करने से पहले हम लोग एक बहुत ही पावन चीज करते हैं जो कि है लैम्प लाइटिंग सेरेमनी। एंड हम लोग आज का ये जो दिन है, जो बहुत ही मोमेंटस दिन है, इसको शुरू करेंगे विद द लैम्प लाइटिंग सेरेमनी। सो आई विल टेक अ लिटिल साइडवेज एंड ऑफिशियली वी विल नाउ be introduced with all the major heads of Summit Hotels and Resorts. So for the lamp lighting ceremony, I will request the gracious presence of our chairman, Mr. Santosh Agarwal. Can we have the presence and a very round of applause for Mr. Santosh Agarwal, our chairman of Summit Hotels and Resorts. So can we have the presence of sir here for the lamp lighting ceremony? Along with sir, and today on this great evening, sir will be with जिसको बोलते हैं आंखों का तारा, बंधना अग्रवाल. His daughter will be there with sir for the lamp lighting ceremony. So yes, complimenting each other. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pride for me to introduce to you all our chairman of Summit Hotels and Resorts, Mr. Santosh Agarwal, along with his daughter Vandana Agarwal. I will take the opportunity to call upon our director and CEO of Summit Hotels and Resorts, Mr. Sumit Mrituka, sir, to please come up on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. I will take this opportunity to call upon our director and CFO, Mr. Sumit Periwal, sir, to please come up on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now start and move forward with this amazing moment, and this act symbolizes the dispelling of the darkness and welcoming of light, prosperity and positivity into our lives and endeavors. Let this sacred ritual bring blessings to Summit and its valued partners, paving the way for flourishing, partnership and success in years to come. রিকোয়েস্ট করবো একটু জোরে হাততালি হবে এই মোমেন্টের জন্য। সকলকে রিকোয়েস্ট করবো একটু করতালির মাধ্যমে আজকের ল্যাম্প লাইটিং সেরেমনিটা সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করার জন্য। এবং হ্যাশট্যাগের রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভকে বলবো একটুখানি আমাদের প্রদীপটাকে একটু সাইড লাইন করে দেওয়ার জন্য। হ্যাশট্যাগের এনিওয়ান ফ্রম হ্যাশট্যাগ একটু, হ্যাঁ থ্যাংক ইউ দাদা, একটু সাইডে করে দেবেন। এবং নাও ladies and gentlemen, আজকে বলেছি আজকে কোনো প্রেজেন্টেশন নেই, ইটস জাস্ট আ ফর্মাল মিট অ্যান্ড গ্রিট সেশন বাই অ্যান্ড ফর ইউ। সো I will take this opportunity to call our chairman sir, Mr. Santosh Agarwal sir, again on stage to welcome each and everyone present here and to address everyone present here. Basically, we love him and we know him as the big boss. He's not only a leader, but he's a mentor to all, a unifier and a source of unwavering support. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome him with a round of applause, Mr. Santosh Agarwal. I will request him to share his views and reflections with everyone here. West Bengal से नहीं, sorry, कोलकाता से कौन-कौन है, थोड़ा सा हाथ उठाएंगे। कोलकाता से सारे लोग कोलकाता से हैं, सारे लोग कोलकाता से हैं। तो आप सभी को पता ही होगा कि कल तक गर्मी थी, आज अचानक सर्दी पड़ गई है। सो वी आर रियली कंफ्यूज कि स्टॉल ओढ़े कि ना ओढ़े। तो इन दिस सिचुएशन हम लोग सोच ही रहे हैं कि चलिए आज यहाँ पर तो मौसम बहुत ही सुहाना है, तो थोड़ा सा एक वार्म अप सेशन के साथ ही शुरू करेंगे। तो पहला जो गेम है उसके लिए हम लोग एक चीज रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप लोग हाथ पकड़ के एक सर्कल कर लो। एक ही सर्कल होगा, इसी एरिया पे एक सर्कल होगा। हाथ मीट एंड ग्रीट विद आवर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ समित होटल एंड रिजॉर्ट्स। सो लेट मी टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, दिस मोमेंट, दिस टाइम टू टेल अ स्मॉल बैकग्राउंड अबाउट who she actually is. We have already known her for her fashion, for her presence in the fashion industry, but she is much more than that. So let me just take this opportunity. She is an inspiration to the countless young girls from serving as a dedicated police officer in Sikkim. So she is basically a police officer from Sikkim and to excelling as a professional boxer and later making her mark in the world of fashion and beauty. Her story embodies perseverance, versatility and courage to break boundaries. At Summit Hotels and Resorts, we believe in not just offering luxurious stay, but also we have been celebrating individuals who have made a meaningful impact on society. We're honored to have Eksha as a face of our brand. Her authenticity, multi-faced background and impressive accomplishment made her the perfect ambassador, the perfect face for Summit Hotels and Resorts. And before we move forward, can we have the music a little less? DJ वाले भैया একটু আওয়াজটা একটু আস্তে করলে একটু ভালো হয়। Well, and with that, ওনার accomplishment আমি বলে দিই। Eksha hails from the picturesque village of Rambuk in West Sikkim, a woman of many talents. She is a state-level boxer, a committed police officer, a national-level athlete. She gained a national, worldwide recognition as a fashion icon for Maybelline, as a finalist of MTV Supermodel of the Year 2021, and recently she showcased her strength and resilience by winning the Warner Bros. Discovery's thrilling reality show, Reality Ranis of the Jungle. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together in welcoming our brand ambassador of Summit Hotels and Resorts, Eksha Kidong. Ladies and gentlemen, chhode haath tali aap everyone, put your hands together for the very, very, very gorgeous lady Eksha. I will request you to please take the stage. Yes, yes, sir. And আমার একটা মাইক লাগবে। वाला ही चलবে, কর্ড वाला ही चलবে। So first of all, those who are in awe with her beauty, let me remind, she is a state level boxer and also in police. So it bhebe chinte, okay? So now I will hand over the mic to Eksha and I will request you to say something to all of our beloved partners here. হ্যান্ডেল করবেন এবং লেডিস অ্যান্ড জেন্টলম্যান এইটুকু গ্যারেন্টি দিয়ে আমরা বলি যে যখন আপনারা কাউকে সামেত হোটেলস অ্যান্ড রিসর্ট রেকমেন্ড করবেন ওনারা ফিরে এসে আপনাকে অবশ্যই থ্যাংক ইউ বলবে ফর আ ওয়ান্ডারফুল স্টে অ্যান্ড এক্সপিরিয়েন্স অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ আওয়ার প্রাইড দ্যাট we actually take the pride in stating that we provide a very exclusive and very amazing experience that has to be cherished for life. So thank you so very much to each and everyone for bringing this frame into wholesome. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our future prizes are one. And let's go. सबको पता है छुपे रुस्तम इनको ही बोलते सब पीजिए खत्म करना है किसके लिए रुके हुए खत्म करने जिसका सबसे पहले बियर खत्म हो जाएगा तीनों को प्राइज मिलेगा सोच रहे हैं भाई ये कैसा गेम है हाँ पोस्ट जेस्चर फ्रॉम हिज साइड जेस्चर से याद आया कि घर जाते वक्त एक टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन सबके लिए है तो वो लेके जरूर जाइएगा खाली हाथ में ही जाइएगा खाली हाथ आएंगे कुछ लेके जाएंगे ये याद रखिएगा सिर्फ ठीक है एंड बिफोर वी everything falls into places and here at Summit Hotels and Resort we only believe in excellence and that's it. So ladies and gentlemen, this was your Sutradhar Teesta signing off for the day. Bhalo thakben, bhalo rakhben, shusto rakhben. Hope you have enjoyed the evening. Evening just shuru hocche. Enjoy the snacks, the beverages and alongside the music here. And we are celebrating a spectacular evening with Summit Hotels and Resorts. Thank you so very much. Enjoy the night, ladies and gentlemen.